Hello and welcome to a new lesson, present continuous tense. In this lesson, we will talk about a structure of present continuous tense, examples, usage. Lecture 23, Rule 2. Let's discuss about the topic. A structure of present continuous tense in the affirmative or positive form of sentence. If we have the subjects like you, we, they, and plural noun, we use are plus we add the first form of the verb with ing plus objects or other words. We have one more structure in this aspect which is a bit different. If we have the subject like I, we use am plus the first form of the verb with ing and then we have objects or other words. Let's see the examples. You are reading a book. We are watching TV. They are playing tennis. Boys are making a noise. I am teaching grammar. We continue our discussion about structure of present continuous tense in the negative form of sentence. If we have the subjects like you, we, they, plural noun, we add are not or in the short form aren't, and then we have the first form of the verb with ing and then we have objects or other words. We have another structure. If we have the subject I, we use am not or the short form is amn't, the first form of the verb with ing and then we have objects or other words. Let's see the examples in the negative form. You aren't helping the poor. We aren't playing games. They aren't performing well. Girls aren't riding bicycles. I'm teaching French. We move on to the next stage of our discussion, a structure of present continuous tense in the question or interrogative form of sentence. In this case, we have the helping verb are before the subjects and we write it with capital A. And then we add subjects like you, we, they, and plural noun. And then we have the first form of the verb with ing and then we add objects or other words. We have another structure, am, and then we add subject I. Then we have the first form of the verb ing. After that we have objects or other words. Let's see the examples of interrogative sentence. Are you teaching English? Are we working hard? Are they playing games? Are students reading in the library? Am I teaching Arabic now? We move on to the next step, that is present continuous tense in the interrogative form of sentence with question words like why, when, how, where, what, and who. In this case, question words come first. See the examples like why are you traveling to London? What are we doing now? When are they going to perform? Where are boys going by a car? And why am I helping the poor? Now let's talk about the usage of present continuous tense. And the point number one is an action which is going on at the time of speaking. An action which is progressing at the present moment, which is happening at the present time, which is progressing now. Let's see the examples. You are playing games now. We are cooking food. They are playing football. Girls are dancing well. And I am working hard. All these sentences reflect the meaning which convey a work being done at the present moment. Now we move on to the usage of present continuous tense, and the second point is to express future plans or arrangements. Let's see the examples. Are you going to London next week? Are the trains coming on time? Are they appearing in the exam tomorrow? The guests are arriving in an hour. So what we come to the point is that they reflect the meaning in the future. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.